A familial match to Dr. Evelyn Vogel.
What?
The hairs we found in Zach's studio, I ran a mitochondrial DNA match on them to test the person's mother line.
Yeah, I'm aware of this test.
Well, it's a direct match to you. Zach's killer is related to you. The brain surgeon is related to you.
How is that possible? I have no family. Well, not anymore.
Anymore.
Well, I was married and I had 2 sons. Daniel and Richard.
And now?
They're gone.
That guy Cassie was dating, he was interviewed that night. Oliver Saxon. Is it possible this is Vogel's son? Daniel Vogel is Oliver Saxon.